Hello, everybody, and welcome to a special episode of our book review. So, today I decided to switch things up a bit by doing a voiceover of this book review over the simple coconut chicken curry recipe. I am hoping that you enjoy both the book and this, recipe today. So, let's dive into it. The book we shall be discussing is titled How to Earn a Fee from What You Do for Free. It is subtitled Making Big Money from Your Skills, Your Ideas, and Your Talents. It is a Nigerian book written by a man named Nii Soyinka. I actually learned 5 things from this book, and I'd love to share them. Lesson number 1 for me was to identify something that you love doing with or without being paid. Lesson number 2 is to become excellent at that one thing that you identify. Lesson number 3 is to make yourself visible. Visibility is as important as ability. You have to make being known a personal project. You cannot make an excuse of being humble or shy and run away from the game of visibility. If you're not seen and not heard, how would you get customers? How would people know you and begin to patronize you? Imagine that Michael Jackson never recorded his songs or made any videos of his dancing skills. How would we have known that someone like that ever existed? So you see, making yourself visible is as important as the skill that you possess. Point number 4, you have to promote yourself and your product constantly. Whether it be your skill, whether it be your idea, whether it is your talent, promotion is really important. And promotion doesn't have to be expensive. There are non-expensive promotional ideas that you can leverage on. You can create content like short clips and post on your social media handles for people who are into buying and selling. You could, do flash sales or referral bonuses or giveaways and all of that. But please, in a bid to explore these promotional ideas, do not hurt yourself or your business. Lesson number 5, you have to make sure that all your social media handles hold proofs of the things that you do. Your business, your skill, your talent. You have to make sure that you are constantly posting, and your Instagram agrees with what your Facebook is saying, and also your Facebook is agreeing with what your TikTok is saying, so that people can know that, okay, this is your specialization. And whether they react to it or not, trust me, they have seen your post, and someday when they need you, they will contact you. The digital space is a powerful place. You better learn to use it wisely. And just as a bonus point, finally, people, you have to have integrity, you have to have character, and you have to be trustworthy. If you are void of these 3 things, people will hardly want to work with you. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you'll be trying it. I also hope that you enjoyed the book. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you next time. Bye.